everybody. This is my second channel. My first channel is Jonathan Simpson, so that's where you could see my face. So this is just no face. This is my fidgets. They're kind of not really fidgets, but it's fine. Let's rate my homemade ones. I just fiddle around with these. These beads are from a friend, and the case is for these little things. What should I rate it? It's not the best. I'll give it a 6. Now this, you can do the same with that one. I made this one to go like this. It's not the best. I would give it 5.5. Now these, a 9.5. Oh god, they got stuck. Well, this is like metal. This I give 7.5. Makes a lot of noise. This, it's kind of, it's just another 5. Well, just a 5. This, I would definitely rate a 9. Because it's super soft when it's like down. Or it's just me. So that's all my fidgets, I guess. Oh god, sorry. I clean up aisle and 100,000. So, bye. Make sure you check out my channel, my other channel. PC Your Own.